Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Market Up or Market Down. Big up day in the market today with good jobs numbers. But for a little big picture, just remember we're about the same area we were over here. So if you feel like you missed out, don't get all in your head. Um, we're still in the game. So let's check the brokerage out. Bam, it looks just like Christmas. So we need to go through here and get the spreadsheet up to date. We still have 2 day trades left. Excuse me. So we will use those to the max. You see we have several stocks in profits here, and we'll see what we can do to get rid of them. All right. First one up is Voya on the buy, 65.08. Check. I'm just verifying that it's correct. We'll do all the buys here. 106.76 for Prudential. All right, 107. 106.76. That's what I said, wasn't it? Yep, check. And BBWI 30.52. Hey, we got a cheap. Got the cheap. All right. Now let's process the cells here. We had OVV at 41.20. We'll throw this in here. Heads up, we'll do the statement videos this weekend. I believe we have most of them. Did statements with the kids today, so they trump y'all. Just is how it is. It's a busy time when statements come out for me, trying to help folks. Very nice. Remember, we hit our goal yesterday for the month, so this is all gravy here. And Bank of America, 37.46, which we kind of knew that was going to happen. And it was pretty cool that it didn't eat into our day trade stuff. Okay, now remember, the market is up today, so what does the trading plan say? Do nothing, right? So just need to make sure I've got my sell orders in and we don't violate the day trade policy. And this will hopefully be a short video. We have a buy order here on Civi that did not fill, so I will cancel that. We're just cleaning things up. So Civi, where you at? Delito, didn't fill. Also OCSL, buy. If they didn't fill, you can do it how you want to do it. I just like to take them out of here and clear it up. RRC. All right. That actually frees up more sell orders that we put in as well, because we don't have to worry about violating the day trade thing, right? Right. Okay. BBWI, it's definitely in profit, so this will be a day trade because we bought it today. But we should definitely be putting this closing order in, and we will. So let's go here and get a sell price. BBWI 30.52 times 1.01 is the sell target I like. Pause the video, do that math, and I'm going to go ahead and put the order in. You can see it's trading much higher than what we need here, but that's just the way I do it. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And you can see not uh, being afraid to take action pays off. Here we have Citibank in nice profits, and we'll just put these sell orders in. So 56.11 times 1.01. You can pause the screen here and do all of these as practice if you like. Practice makes better. Doesn't make perfect, but it makes better. And again, this one is over the sell target. This would not be a day trade. A round trip order, limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And I'm going to zip right through this. CTRA is in nice profits as well. It was not something that we purchased today, so no worries. For this one, we have to add these up, divide by 3 to give you the average. Take that number times 1.01. That's the sell target I like. And we'll put the order in. Limit, good till cancel, extended hours. And remember, I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not your advisor. You must figure that out on your own. But I do think it could help you learn. This is what works for me, showing you in real time. And the faster you learn, the faster you get to change in your life. So here we have 142.41 times 1.01. And a lot of these look like they could sell. We had a big day in the markets today. Yeah, so that's way higher than what our sell target is. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. It's a little late today. Tuesdays and Thursdays are typically going to be a little later. Investing in people, it's the best investment you can make. EQT, this is not a day trade either. These are all in profits. So could be a really big day for the account, and likely we'll get some trickle tomorrow. Add these up, divide by 3 to get the average. There's 3 of them. And I'm just going to just chill and just put these orders in. No big deal. And then we'll get on to the main account. We're here live on Twitch as well, so if you're antsy about seeing the video right away, you can join live on Twitch and you'll get to see it sooner. And if you got questions, we'll field those at the end. So pretty nice this run because we didn't have fear. We're able to make a pretty good run on it. We flipped the whole account really quick. So we got lucky on a few fills too, so that helped too. I'm just making sure that I don't violate the day trade rule, the PDT, for this account. Obviously on the main account I don't have PDT. I just got money. So also remember, there's nothing wrong with having a cash account. It's a perfectly fine option. It slows you down a little bit, but you gain most of your money on the exponential curve at the end, not at the beginning. So it's probably okay. Just people get impatient, right? It's understandable. I did too. I'm still a little impatient. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours, and I'm just ripping these out. Just a 1% deal. And I guess we have to go here and see what's next. OBV sold. RRC is not on the deal. The only other one we had was Voya. So Prudential has a sell order in. Okay, so That's technically our second one. We'll leave Voya alone, but we'll put this sell order in, and that will be it. And we still have a little bit of cash available to us. That was really good run for the main account, or for the public account here, where I'm showing all the transactions. And hopefully you can see how that built alpha versus the long run of the S&P 500. And that's what it's all about. And that's why I like cash flow over index investing. But you'll figure out however you want to do it. That's that, I think. So I'll have to remember to get this one in tomorrow. It's in a little bit of profits, but so is this other one, Prudential, and it's a higher amount anyway. So nice, good. We have 11 working orders, and still got some day trades going. We'll burn them up as much as we can. We did hit 1,400, so hooray for us. Let's go ahead and see our total here, update our profits, and believe it or not, we'll start getting closer to the next goal for the investing account. 1647. We did add to the investing account last night. All the orders went through. So if you're watching that and wondering, and we will fill out this dividend thing when we do the statements, right? So we're only $9.87 away to add more into the investing. And that is really what it's all about. Because that is passive income that we don't have to work for. And that's what we're trying to build. So that's it for the public account. If you're new, go ahead and leave a like. Make sure you're subscribed on your way out. And for the real bag holders, let's get into the main account. We'll get this sucker out of the way. Computer's running fantastic today for some reason, so we'll take that as a W. There's not much activity in the main account, but we'll go through it and get on with our day. It looks like I bought gas this morning, so MPC, my war against inflation. We did get one sell that keeps my streak going, and it was a flip, I believe, on Oxy. Yeah. So not enough to get money into the charity. That's all right. Amcor teased us again. It was very close to selling. That's a pretty big position for me, so I'm looking forward to that one. And then you'll see more activity on the account. I'm just trying to use cash instead of margin while there's uncertainty in the market. It's probably smart all the time. About the only time I'll always use a little bit of margin is in investing, because I just don't see any downside. So that's that. On to the day trade type stuff. We did make some transactions as well. Let's pull that up. Oh, there we go. We started getting into the SQs again as the market ripped higher today. We were able to start building a small position here in the SQs, and that's exciting. So you can see here we had a couple opportunities. We're just waiting for the thing to spike up here. We'll take our money. Bonds also provided some opportunity today. Looks like we got a pretty big position here in bonds. The 15, you can see all those on the 30 RSI where it is starting to provide opportunity. And now we're here on the 1 hour chart. So pretty big position in bonds. But at the beginning of the day, I had a little flub with my processing of it. We'll start here with gold. I was able to sell some gold. But I'm still getting used to the new brokerage account. We still only have half of the positions in it. You can see the sell here. But there's just always something about a broker that I don't like necessarily. Because none of them are perfect, right? So it looks like We sold this on 8/2. So things I look for are, is it something that repeats fairly often? And it does, passes the test. And then I've got the pictures up. I have to take a picture of my cost basis because it's super hard to find in here unless I just don't know how to configure it. Because this is Interactive Brokers. It's pretty sophisticated, and I'm not that bright. So we're just figuring out best what we can here. So as soon as this updates, we'll get on to the how much. And then you have to really, really work for this information. All right, 0.24%. So all that work for just that. But when you compound that stuff, it adds up. So the other one we did was the levered Bitcoin here on BitX. Very nice move here on the open. Similar scenario. I flubbed the order on this one. I don't know how to use this thing. Okay. Eventually I'll learn. It just takes a little time. Again, it sells the full shares and then the partial shares because I just trade dollar amounts for the day trade stuff. I let them eat on me. They make some money off of me. That's okay. But I like the speed of the transaction. It's fast, and I can make up for it a little bit that way. This was 3.31%. Oh yeah, and I did have to wait out the volatility. This did get into the 15-minute chart, as you can see here on screen, and scary dairy, but nice profits. Again, for the month, we don't have but half the positions in here, but we have so far done 6 transactions for a total of 10.24%. That's obviously not for the total. The account didn't go up 10%, but if you look at the S&P, I believe it's down still. So we'll always just compare. We'll just check in, and yeah, it's down for the month. But the reason I went to the new brokerage is it will be closer to the full account. It will very aggressively put the money in, and I'm excited to share that with you. And I'm excited to spend some of the profits because it's going to be my Lamborghini money. So very cool there. And let's go through here. We're looking for swing trade entries especially on a big day like today, and also anything that we need to flag. I'm not doing a whole lot of buying just because I'm broke. That just is what it is. I'm not going to go deep into margin while things are a little shaky. I think that's just prudent. I'm not worried about the market running away from me because I'm fully invested. And as dividends and these little sell orders start coming through and free up capital, I will quickly put that back into the market using the systems we talk about on a daily basis here on the channel. So that's the whys and what fors. If you see things get a little slow on the website, again, if you're interested in what I do during the day, it's on the website, link down below, and it's all free. But I'm being conservative, and but I'm aggressive with conservative situations. But I'm not going to over leverage. Leverage can be an awesome tool, but not right now for me. And I got other things going on. I've got the second channel going on, so there's big stuff happening this weekend there if you're interested in that kind of stuff. And then, of course, we'll be hopefully scratching some lottery tickets. I don't know if there'll be any money for that or not. I've been getting wiped with the lottery. I got lottery tickets for my birthday, and I didn't win on any of them. scratch offs, lotto, like I got several tickets. I didn't, nothing, bro. So hopefully we're looking up for some good luck coming up soon. Some of these I think will be reflagging too. So we're just really going around the horn. I don't expect to really do a transaction here. I'm still broke, so it's gonna have to be something pretty juicy, or else we're just gonna keep going. News had really good earnings today, but the stock didn't move. So curious to see what happens tomorrow. It was like a 24% beat. It was very nice. This is freaking Amcor, man. Oh my God. I'm out at 1070. So it's right there, man. I have a lot of shares though, so um I'll probably have a little bit of fight with partial fills and stuff like that, unless there's some big boys that want to get in on it. It's a kind of out of favor stock still, but maybe a recovery play. I don't know. That's the beauty of the stock market. People play it different ways, and everybody can make money. And it doesn't have to be a loser for every winner. It's just about time frames, right? Somebody might have to hold it longer, or unexpected things can happen. Typically, the way at least I view it is there's a loser and then the winner. You know, we'll try to just zip through these, but that's what we got. We'll take questions at the end, but it might just be a nice, quick day and get a little rest and get ready for Friday. And that's that. So if you're trading anything or if you see a setup, leave it in the comments down below. Maybe it's something I missed, or maybe you're looking at something different than me. Always up to share info and yeah, information is a big deal. ADM was close there. Pretty strong day today, so I don't expect anything going on down here, but just walking around the yard here. Just get in a habit, be consistent. Let me know too down below. How did you do with the spook? It was like a panic, a little quick panic, um, and I'm not talking about it like it's over either. Okay. So, I mean, there's reasons why and what floors I'm not using a lot of leverage because I'm not afraid to use a lot of leverage if it's in the right situation. But just being conservative, we'll see what happens. Just remember the definition of a trend and those kinds of things and what the market looks like. Um, Jobs numbers were good, but we're seeing a lot of layoffs in the news as well. Um, the United States is based off of spenders, and if they're laid off, they don't spend as much. So most of these are spilling down. I mean, when the price is below all the averages, the trend is that's the way the trend is. But I may be a little hesitant to even get in some of these swing trades. I just don't want to have too much exposure. I'm okay missing out on profits. You can kind of get that if you watch me on the regular basis. I I'm not trying to get the most profits. I'm not. I'm just trying to consistently pull money out of the markets and beat the market. That's really truly all I care for. Because over long periods of time, uh, a little alpha leads to exponentially beating the market. So that's what we have. Nice quick video, and we're gonna kill it there. Have an awesome evening. Thank you for watching. Leave me a like on the way out, and make sure you subscribe if you're new around here, and let somebody else know about me if they're interested in stocks, at least for an awareness piece. And somebody brought stocks at least as an idea to me. It could have really changed my trajectory of my life. I know a lot of people get exposure in school. That was not my situation. I didn't know much about it at all. So, you know, knowledge is power. Have a great evening, everybody. We'll be after it again tomorrow.